Hi, Gina with WTI. Do you find it hard to drink enough water during the day? I know that's something that I struggle with, and it has become so much easier since I got this Buzio 64-ounce water bottle. So some of the reasons that I chose this water bottle over others is because it's double-walled stainless steel. Things stay really cold in it, and they stay warm. I did a 24-hour test, and what I found was after 24 hours, the temperature was still 90 degrees inside the bottle. The water bottle comes with two options for lids. There's the flex cap, which has a little handle on it. It's perfect for taking on walks or hikes. In fact, my husband and I hike with these all the time. Then the other option comes with a straw lid. It's so cool that they also send a little brush to clean the straw with too. I keep mine in the jacket. That way I can differentiate between my husband's bottle and my bottle. After you receive your water bottle, just wash it out with soap and water and there won't be any weird taste to your water. I like to add some lemon or lime slices to mine to kind of freshen it up and make it fun to drink. So I definitely recommend these. You'll be happy that you bought them, and that's my point of view.